They never taught us this in school. Not how money works, not how wealth is really built, not how the system was rigged from the start, but that. And now, welcome to STANOK Finance. This isn't just a channel, it's a wake-up call. If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right and still falling behind, if you've watched the rich play a different game and wondered what they know that you don't, this is where it changes. At STANOK Finance, we break the silence, we expose the traps, we teach you the rules they never wanted you to learn. No fluffs, no filters, just truth and the tools to take back control. You learn how to budget with intention, invest without fear, and build income streams that work while you sleep. From side hustles and forex to the secrets behind how the wealthy use debt, we cover it all. Because your past doesn't define your future, and your current bank balance is not your destiny. This is your time to rise, to break the cycle, to create the financial freedom no one's handing you but you. Subscribe, share, step into your power. Because wealth isn't about luck, it's about knowledge and the courage to use it. STANOK Finance, truth, power, money, redefined.